Hello everyone, my name is Asande Little Zulu. I'm coming from Durban in South Africa, and I'm a member of MMM. Guys, on the 22nd of September 2016, I requested help from the community, that is MMM community, of an amount of 54,500. And today I'm a happy man because all the money was deposited into my account without any problems. And thanks to the system that is working for the people, not against the people. And I don't imagine myself not being a member of this community. With the money that I received from the community, I managed to pay for my kids' school fees, settle all the amounts, the debts that I was owing, and all the stores, the debts that I was owing to the banks. And thanks to MMM, MMM is for us, guys. It's for the people. It's not against us. So together, I'm sure we can change the world. And I would like to encourage all those people who still think that MMM is just an ordinary pyramid, that guys better think again, because MMM is here to stay. MMM is for us. It's to liberate us. And if you want financial freedom, you must just be a member of MMM and everything will happen. Thank you very much.